Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. You don't know, sir, Keegan's Kitchen, you know. So we're there in Jamaica, and this is my first time actually trying the Popeyes fried chicken in Jamaica. So I'm gonna try to, see the difference between the American version and the Jamaican version, and then I'm gonna tell you which one is better. I'm already leaning on the Jamaican side, cause say Jamaican food different, seasoning, flavor, everything, turn up. So let's go ahead. Let's test out the crispiness first. Crispy, but wow. And I also ordered the spicy version, and this is spicy. Wow. So I ordered a nine-piece chicken combo. It came with 4 mashed potatoes and some French fries, 4 French fries, but they put everything in one bag, right? The flavor of the mashed potatoes is good. We already know this is the bag version. We're not worried about that. The main target is the chicken. This is the main comparison right here. Let me tell you. Let me tell you right now, guys. American Popeyes not have nothing up on the Jamaican Popeyes. I tell you right now. This is actually really spicy. The flavor. 10 out of 10. Spiciness level, I'll give it a 9. I would rather it be a 10. The crispiness, flakiness, and stuff like that. Another 10. So. And the speed of the delivery, you already upon island time, so so the thing's slow. You see what I say? So, but besides that, we give them a 10 out of 10 same way. You see what I say? Yeah man, but everything good. Yeah, so if you come to Jamaica, check out the Popeyes. You see what I say? Right now, I ordered from the one in Negril. Yeah, so check them out, man, and test out the flavor for yourself. Don't take it from me. You be your own judge and let me know what I go on. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what I go on. Yeah. Peace.